Riley, what do you have? Is that a cap? You gonna give me that cap? Do you want to give that to me? You want to give it to me? You want to give it to me? Give it to me. Come here. Give it to me. What? Excuse me. Excuse me. Can I have that cap? Ma'am? That is not good for you, ma'am. That is not good for you, ma'am. Oh. You want to tug for it? You want to... Ow! You look so disappointed. You have all these toys around you, and you're so disappointed. Are you disappointed? Are you disappointed? Aww.